Good afternoon, instructor Jorge Kikihana. We welcome your day space. We thank you for agreeing to be part of your project and nothing. We are going to the way in we brief question about you and will you begin to comment on your work experience in the mining field. As you have already to is the videos you have in experience of approximately 10 years, and you are also technician in maintenance of heavy equipment and repair of Caterpillar engines. Also inform us that you have also worked in the company for years. What could you tell us about that?
How about good morning, Cruz? If I thank you very much for the invitation for being able to participate in this project. And well, if I initially had a technical career in automotive mechanics, I titled me as an auto mechanic and I specialized in heavy machinery. I studied in the UTP, the mechanical engineering career, and well, I am currently working as a heavy equipment maintenance instructor.
Thank you very much. Without more a lesson with a question. What company helped you to develop a professional?
Ferreiros really was a change of lifestyle for me in every aspect because as I mentioned a moment ago, I came from working in the automotive sector and in Ferreiros they changed the automotive sector to heavy machinery and it is totally different world. Not only but by that I needed to be more technical but I learned to have discipline and have enough criteria for the things that are done in our profession.
Of course, and the changes that arose will you already mentioned that you study an automobile car and the change it the cause issue was shock. It's normal.
I had easy of adaptation in the operational part, but in the discipline is always maintaining order and cleanliness in having a lifestyle based on safety because it was really a 360-degree turn to that I did before as a standard of life is well quite beneficial at that time have that mentality thing before about ordering and cleaning and working safer.
And that with age a man how old were you when you started working?
I finished my career at 21 but I started to work of course at 21 too but previously I was already practicing at 18 and 19 years old.
Of course, and have told a little more about future plans you have for your car.
For my career as an instructor, I would like to train ever more in some course to be able to do a coaching course, for example, to be able to better reach the students so that the message can really be effective, and why not also on my mechanical engineering career take a bachelor degree and a diploma.
And how you decide or wait encourage you to study heavy equipment maintenance?
In general, because technology today is a great contribution to mechanics, be it the automotive machine or heavy machinery, and the good thing about technology is that it always innovates, always seeks continuous improvement. Therefore, you will always see something to learn, and for me that is the main contribution that always idea something to learn and especially in the machine that they are a world really different from everything we can know.
Of course, and that you can deal about your most unpleasant experience at work.
There was once in which Ferreiro sold something for 10 to 20 minute track of the 793D model. The negative experience was that of the 10 they returned night due to a clean because the PTO power take that always to leave the tracks. Hooper failed a few hours of the operation, and will that was really a negative experience for us.
And how many years of experience does the labor field have?
Working on heavy machinery for 10 to 15 years.
And since he already told us where and that company he started to
In
work,
the automotive sector, in working in large companies, I work in Kia Motor, and Danza is a representative of what's being heard in Peru. And in heavy machinery, I work in Ferreiros. I also work in Casapalca as a supervisor of trackless equipment, and also worked in company related to the mining. And in terms of instructor, I work in Senati, I work in Avancing, and also taught other courses in TechSoup, and currently we are in, in Setemin.
how do you see yourself 10 years later?
Older. Apart from that, because I have really already formed in my family, already conquered, and as a professional, I still me myself teaching because I really like to teach. Instruct, and even my vocation is this job. Really, if I like to work as a technician, I will not deny it, but more I like to work as an instructor.
Already good. And which company did you get more experience in field of welding?
Welding in Ferreiros, or since for a time I worked in the factory area where were made assembly and for their assemblies and welding as well.
And where did you get your high education?
Could first in Senati technical career of automotive mechanic, and then in the UTP the career of mechanical engineering.
Will as a compliment you like be an instructor and explain your the others. Thank you instructor for sharing your experience with us.